Hello guys, and today we are going to be playing Slither.io, or at least I think that's what's happening. like, so what I'm doing, I'll show you. So I'm playing on crazygames.com, and so I found this, and I think it's Slither.io, but I don't know. So I'm just gonna put my name as Twin because so. As as well, this is my first video, and I'm just so you don't know my name or anything, but it'll say Maisie Parkman. But our YouTube name is actually Twin. Oof! Wow, this game's lag. I'm gonna find a new game. No. Hmm. Hmm. Alright. So home. And so literally all you have to do www.crazygames.com, and then you can play all these online games for free. But I don't. Oh no, I'm gonna play. I've played this game before, Rolled Soul, but I'm gonna do it again because I remember playing it. Thought it was so fun. Okay, Lao. Okay, yeah. I played this game because at my school we on At first, we could play this game on our computers, but then it they stopped letting us do that, and so yeah. Okay, I don't even think I can zoom in. Whatever. And sorry about the audio. I mean, nothing. It's not really that different. It's just music. It'll like tell me all that stuff. Oops. I forgot how to. Oh my gosh. I just remembered something. You don't need your mouse, so I'm just gonna. Well, I am so right. So jump is gonna be that. Okay. Okay. Now my settings are correct. Okay. So basically, just gotta jump on the bad guys. Freak. No. Oh. And in this game, you unlock different things. Like there's double jump that you can unlock, but I haven't gotten that. But on my other account, I actually beat this game. But, got him. And you see, it's just simple game. It's nothing much to it. But it gets fun because there's these guys, like, you have bosses. So, like, the first boss, I think is a jetpack guy. I don't know. Like, I really don't know about that. I forgot. And this is basically what happens when you finish. And it's just one of those fun, easy games that you can just play for fun. So, I'm gonna start a series on this. So the first thing I'm gonna do it with bosses. So once I finish, look, so you can oh, okay. So you also have this when you're jumping and then you go and then you get on a mushroom and then you press down. And so there's like upgrades. Like look, you have upgrades and you can get a skin. You see all those things. And then there's like these type of things. Like the soul book things. What you do with those? So see, look at my skin, and then you go, you see? It's like that. See? And then you press, so you just press X to throw, like throw things, or not throw things, but throw projectiles, yeah, projectiles. And so the black things, you might be wondering what those are. Those are my lives. Oh, there's also zip lines. And there's these guys. And so you can get lives and levels, like you'll see. It's hard to explain. But this is just a game you can play. And I'm not gonna bother leaving I mean, honestly, I'm not gonna really leave the link in the description just because like I'm not sponsoring this game. It's just fun and easy, and then so just complete the last level. I mean, not the last level, but the second level. And with like you see the stars up here. That's what you use to get. Oh, so guys, if you hear me talking randomly, then that's because I'm on Discord and I'm talking to my friend. So I can get a skin. I can get a new sword, new glider. But I'm really gonna get this because it matches the skin that I have right now. And then next I'm gonna get this sword, and you could buy all these things. So okay, so I'm just gonna hello my friend. Well, my cousin. I'm talking to my cousin. His name is Julian. Y'all can't hear him, but you know, you can be here in spirit, or he's here in spirit. So right now, Julian, I'm playing Rogue Soul 2, and it's one of those simple games that you don't really need a lot of skill for. Oh, and so you saw that, and so chat, you saw, well, not chat, but you know what I mean. So y'all saw that girl that I gave that flower to? That, well, she gives your person powers. Like, I had invincibility, and so, yeah. Yeah? Okay, hold on, guys. Hold on, Lena, I'm doing a video. Okay, so guys, I might have to end the video short because my sister needs help. Well, Julian, can you get on the Xbox and help her? Or at least try, like, get on game party chat and see, because I need to keep this video doing. I don't see my Xbox right now, but it should be like a video capture thing. It should be like capture thing. And you see, so guys, it says the armor protects you from one hit, and that's what that health thing is. It's armor. Oh, I miss a girl. And that's what happens when you miss a girl. You just lose your flower. And I got hit, so I lose my armor. No, why did I? Ah, see, I'm really rusty at this game. I haven't played in so long, so I'm really rusty. Frick! Dang it! Oh my gosh, so guys, I'm not used to this because I'm just starting out. It's so um on my other account, I used to have like I'm doing a video, and so did you try flipping it? And so I forgot what I was talking about, but anyway, yeah.
Thank you, Drew.
You're welcome. That
Now the Corey Kenshin to go. He's the best out there.
yeah, well we have this YouTuber that we like. His name is Corey Kenshin. You should probably go subscribe to him. He's really good YouTuber. Or at least in me and my sister's opinion. And you see I got infinite ammo. So literally I could just throw this all the time. No, I forgot to okay, this game is very weird because you have to collect or not collect, but you have to save grandpas. But I mean, the thing is, I'm starting on Rogue Soul 5. I mean Rogue Soul 2 instead of Rogue Soul 1. So sorry about that. But that's probably because this is one of those games that I have played before, so I automatically go to it. But I'll play Rogue Soul 1 after I finish this. Um, see, look, I got the glide. So every time I jump, and then I can double jump, and then I hold up again. So on the shop, I have, I've dodge, I have dexterity, and yeah. And there's moves also. I like these things. So the moves, basically what they are, like, say you're fighting somebody. So the stab is when you're say you're running you jump into somebody, then you stab them. With this, you backflip and it kills them. With this, you headbutt them, slash them, and then drop kick. So I'm gonna look at Soulbook. What do I get? Oh, you captain. The gold-planted warrior has a quick and deadly slash. Don't get caught by surprise. Stay away from the screen edge. And then I got the cup, a precious golden jewel with beautiful fake jewels. Buyers don't need to know that. And then a chest. And so the thing is, it doesn't know how many it collects. Like with this, gives you 25 coins. That gives you 1 coin. That gives you 3, and stuff like that. But with the chest, doesn't know how many. So let's look at the skins. I'm gonna get this. And then, what's that?